Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite Save the World. This unique player versus environment mode challenges you to defend against the storm and its husk monsters. You'll embark on various missions, building forts and deploying traps to protect objectives. Team up with up to 3 friends to gather resources, craft powerful weapons, and rescue survivors. It's a cooperative adventure focused on strategy and teamwork against the encroaching darkness. Understanding your heroes and schematics is crucial for success. Heroes come in 4 classes: Soldier, Constructor, Ninja, and Outlander, each with distinct playstyles and abilities. You'll collect schematics for weapons and traps, which are blueprints for crafting. Use experience points and evolution materials to level up both your heroes and schematics, making them more powerful. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for your playstyle and mission objectives. Building strong defenses is key to surviving the storm. You'll construct forts around your objectives using various materials like wood, stone, and metal. Strategically place traps, such as wall darts, floor launchers, and ceiling electric fields, to damage and control the husks. Remember to upgrade your structures to increase their health and resistance. A well-designed trap tunnel can make even the toughest missions manageable, saving your objective from destruction. Fortnite Save the World offers a wide array of mission types, keeping gameplay fresh and engaging. You'll encounter objectives like fight the storm, retrieve the data, and deliver the bomb. Completing these missions earns you valuable rewards, including V-Bucks, legendary schematics, and hero experience points. As you progress through different zones, the difficulty increases, but so do the potential rewards. Don't forget to participate in limited-time events for exclusive items and challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.